slowly but surely keep him on a little minutes restriction
Hello, this is
and let
the
Anthony
Tradesight
Davis play his way
stocks
back
and
into
futures
shape.
market preview
Then when LeBron James
for,
comes along,
Tuesday,
right where
the
they need to be for
27th
the
of
Lakers
April 2000.
to go on another title
Be a
run.
good trade day on Monday.
Any concerns for you because
we'll show you that in a minute. Here's
calf
the ES
strain injury, you
front
know,
month
that can
futures
be a little
contract.
dicey.
This is the
Do you
daily
think
chart
that
of the
they've
broad
been
market
cautious
futures
enough?
forum. We didn't really go anywhere.
I hope
You'll see
they've
it
been
better in the
cautious enough. I'm
intraday
not a
action.
doctor,
There's
I don't
nothing to
pretend
talk
to
about
play one on
otherwise.
TV.
Crude oil,
But
62.14 up 23 cents. Gold down $3 to 1777.10.
able to go out there and put his talents on display because he's one of the best players that we have in the NBA.
Gain 7
It should
points.
be a good one. Thursday nights are
NASDAQ
always good, but the return of Anthony Davis,
That's kind of
everyone will be watching.
NASDAQ, by the way. 7 points on the S&P.
Everyone's watching
Obviously
that.
nothing, but 84
For
on
Brendan
NASDAQ.
Haywood and our entire
No one really cares about
NBA
either.
TV crew,
It's near
I'm
all-time
Stephanie
highs.
Reddy. We
Stocks
appreciate
up
you guys sticking around. We will see you next time.
Going back towards all-time highs. Biotech's up 99.50. That 5,000 level's got some resistance. We'll see how that goes. The Russell 2026 trying to edge out the highs, but that green line, the static trend line, be interesting to see what we do with that. The VIX back up 31 cents to 1764, so no big deal. Trend closes at 0.77. Now this puts the 10-day moving average, we talked about this over the weekend, at 0.87. And if I count backwards 10 days, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, maybe the 10. Maybe it's actually only 1.10 or so. 1 point, yeah, that we're going to drop off tomorrow. Still, anything under about probably 0.9 tomorrow would put the 10-day moving average under 0.85. And if it doesn't happen tomorrow, then we're going to drop off a 1.3 plus number. And so two generally low readings, anything under 1.10 would push the 10-day moving average in the next 2 days under 0.85, and that would be a sell signal on the broad market. We haven't had a lot of those. We had one last year, or one at the start of the year, and that kind of got ignored and was barely a blip for a day. And then you have to go back quite a ways to find anything before that. It did happen, by the way, heading into COVID, which I do want to say that in the COVID crash. NASDAQ volume, 4.5 billion shares. It's kind of right in range with where we've been. It's where we were all last year. It's lower than where we were for 3 months to start this year, which has been a lot of shifting of money, obviously. Advanced decline ratio on the NASDAQ plus 1389, advanced decline ratio on the New York plus 816, or 807, sorry. Google gains exactly $10. That's kind of creepy, but it's a new all-time high. Apple up 40 cents, not an all-time high, but still whatever. Netflix up $4.75. Amazon up $68.12. There were rumors today that Amazon was about to announce a stock split. That would probably run this thing for a bit. We'll see how that goes. That would also help the market artificially. It wouldn't be a real run in the market. But if Amazon runs 800 points because of a stock split, which is stupid, but it would, then that's going to have impact everywhere else. And by the way, when you break out of that high, remember that 13 sell signal last August was exactly on the high. So we'll see what happens. Tesla up $8.80. Kind of mid-range for the last few months. Facebook up $1.91. Zoom loses 46 cents. Goldman Sachs up $4.17. TLT, the 20-year bond ETF, down 20 cents. The Dow Jones Industrial Average loses 61 points. Bitcoin down 325. And it is what it is. All right, in terms of economic data coming out. Oh, sorry. Let's do the intraday action. 30-minute. Look up. This was one of the flattest days. So horrible. I mean, so horrible. Look at that. After the move up Friday, so the move down Thursday afternoon on the cryptocurrency taxing stuff, and then back up Friday, and then kind of whatever we kind of laid out flat at the end of the day on Friday, and then here small gap up and close. We literally closed where we opened. Can't get any more uninteresting than that. It's just really bad. So it was this is one of the most boring days I've seen actually in a while. It's just horrible. But we know there's boring days every week. That this is pretty bad, right? So there's nothing else to really discuss here. I don't want to get into it. Hopefully we have better things coming. But we do have the 2-day Fed announcement. So Wednesday's the announcement. Tomorrow's junk, and we have a lot of earnings coming out tomorrow. That's going to be the story. Everything else is what it is. Charts as usual. Brought to you by eSignal. If you've not yet taken a trial of your services, of our services, feel free to do so. We will help you out for a couple weeks. Great trading Tuesday.